Alright, got the Rebel V2. Got one tick of flaps. Even though it really doesn't need it, it's pretty calm out. This thing takes off pretty easy on grass. It's full throttle. Back pressure. Flaps are up. Gears are up. Low pass in front of us. For somebody just wanting to learn to fly jets, or even an experienced jet flyer, this thing is a tremendous value for the money. Another low pass but high speed. There's max throttle. Go up, roll over half, come back down. Same maneuver on this end, up, roll over half, back down. Yeah, what makes this a great entry model jet is you can fly it on a 4S 2700 to about a 3200. And then if you want to get a little bit more excitement, you can throw a 5S in it. That boosts it up quite a bit with lots and lots of power. Takes off on the grass with no worries. Jim, you need to bring yours out here and we can have dog fights with them.
Okay.
Touch and go, no wheels. Well, there's our miserly meter saying, yeah, gotta quit having fun.
Yeah, my battery was down to 379 across the board.
Well, that's perfect. How long were you up?
Probably 4.5 minutes. I got a bigger battery in it this time.
3.5 minutes?
Yeah, it's 3300 versus a 28, so you're looking at 20% more.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can keep it up. Yeah, I'll probably bring it in about between 4 and 5.
Yeah, as you was flying about 60 to 70% throttle most of the time. And you had it at what? A 4.5 minutes?
I had set it at
5?
Yeah.
You probably could easily fly the guts out of it and still get almost 4 minutes probably.
Yeah.
RebelV2, thanks for watching.